Hi guys, Paul,
And Ryan.
PA Outdoors couple, and we're here at Logan's Mill Covered Bridge in Clinton County.
Yep.
The only existing,
The last remaining covered bridge.
the last remaining in
74.
1874,
It was 55 feet long.
55.
Queen Truss.
And let's whop you around a little bit because I wanted to show you this. Check out this mill. That is amazing.
It has a nice little
There's
metal sign on the front.
There's a sign over here. Hi, Marge. Let's look at that sign for a second. Zoom in. There you go. Awesome. In a beautiful, very nice area. Okay. What? Okay. Awesome. Let's go check out the bridge. We were camping last night and it was 33 degrees when we woke up, so we're a little snotty. Yeah, apologize. But this is Fishing Creek that this goes over. And yes, I do have my fishing paraphernalia with me. A short bridge, 55 feet. Ooh.
There's an Amazon truck coming across.
All right, we're going to see the Amazon come. Back away. All right, so now we know it's sturdy, so now we can go across it. Nice. Look at that. Look at what it opens up to.
Official game piece. Do not remove.
Southern Ohio Covered Bridge Association. This association has been organized to help preserve and restore the remaining covered bridges in Ohio. Meeting and tour is held. That's an interesting thing. Well, this is signed by somebody too. Newcastle, Pennsylvania, 4692. Wolf for damage or destruction of the bridge, of covered bridges. Getting fined. So this is we are not in Ohio, but yet the sentiment still remains. Oh, there's some more over here. Sweet. Nice. Well, they love their covered bridge here, and I can see why. And it opens up to that. To a dog. Bet there's some nice trout down there. He's a barker, but he seems friendly.
Yeah.
Let's see about it. Get under here. I don't know if I can get under this bridge. That I don't know. Of course, you don't
It's a
want
little full.
Yeah, we've had a lot of rain recently.
Not too bad, but
We don't want to
look a little full.
trespass or anything, so. Normally it's not a big deal, but here I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's not marked private.
Hello, puppy.
Hi. Is it okay we visit the bridge? Is it okay? Hi. Thank you.
I think it's okay.
It's okay.
11 feet 2 inches. Obviously, new cement, possibly steel beams underneath it to keep it good.
He's scared of you.
Okay. There's still some flagstone you can see under the bottom, but it does look like it's been rebuilt.
It says there's metal trusses under
Okay, there is metal trusses. All right, now, nope. Mystery solved.
I think that's what it said on the one typed up deal. It is a short bridge, very solid.
Solid and short.
Feels very solid.
Woo!
Nobody's got a stick.
Oh, okay.
Oh, can I throw it for you? Oh, can I?
There you go.
Oh, you made a friend.
See?
Look at this, Papa.
Huh. What's this?
This is an official game piece.
Game
Do
piece.
not remove. Would you like to see what's in it?
Yes. Could it be a bomb?
Oh, I'm hoping not.
That's what last time you were like, yeah, don't open it.
Well, this says it's a game piece.
Oh, so it says it's a game piece. It's
Yeah.
fine. Wow, look at that.
See, it is a little cache, geocache. Let's put our. Can we get a sticker to put in here?
We'll be right back.
Okay. Logan Mills covered bridge. A short 55 feet. Last remaining covered bridge in Clinton County.
Yeah.
And we met a dog friend.
Now we gotta try to get on the other side of the bridge.
Look at that dirty windshield.
Oh, yeah.
We don't think about that. That's okay. Look at this view.
Oh, wow. All right.
This is where our dog friend lives.
Yeah, don't worry. Let me see the camera. Dog friend's good. On the right side of the bridge.